Ano? Hindi, starting line, ha? Hindi. Hindi na. Basta dilit partido, ilan talaga ito. Pinakalas, kasalanan makapundili. Para di makapundili. Ano? Ano, ready? Ready na? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year! Dumako naman po tayo sa ating mga pa-shoutout. Shoutout goes to Sis Anterlau Vlogs, Sis Jacel's Educational Vlog, Myra De Santa Vlog, Bless Mac Vlog, Sir Benjamin Rubin Official, Roger Lenore 9533, Lee Lacuachera, Fernanda Lavores, Brazilian to guys, Manoy Nel Vlog, hello Manoy. Shout out also sa kapwa kong may channel. Shout out Renan Fishing Adventure. Shout out sa mga taga Barangay Lipata, Allen, Northern Samar. Ayan, idol. Si Idol Renan Fishing Adventure po ay taga Barangay Lipata, Allen, Northern Samar. Shout out also sa kapatid niyang si Rafi Spur Fishing. Hello Master, shout out. Okay, shout out also to Manny Vlog, si Badong Vlog, Rodolph Oy Studio, Pinoy Bisdak Trucker, Pobreng Manglalakbay, Biyahera Next Vlog, Charlie the Crazy Cat, and JP the Dog, Papa G's, Mana Lisa TV, hello Ate Lisa, Aisa TV, hello Sisi Labs. Okay, another, Chaching, Danger Dale, Jose Ferreira, Katin Hojo Parda, Mabil Garcia. Okay, Detector Vanderlei Ferreira, shout out. Mga taga-Brazilian sila guys. Shout out also GKG Fishing Adventure, AATV Adventure, Provincial Fishing Vlog, Merlin Graves, Joey Gonzaga, Albert Caliarino. Okay, nahabang listahan natin guys. Jalin Charita, Kylie Castro, The Drummer Boy, Kick Back and Grow, Claire Mixed Vlog, Marico Me Enriquez, Renante de la Peña, Iguruta 08, Jovans Boy Angas, Alin James Rodora, Sis Ambisyosa, Sis Susana, Sis Casey Mixed Vlog, Lila Cochera, nasabi ko na ito. Again, Myra De Santa Vlog, Fernando Labons, Paulo Rodolfo Rivero, Hidelte Asistinatos and Vlogs, Jasper the Sniper, Katinyo Japarda, Divina Gomez, Ishan. Shout out also to sa dalawa kong kapatid, si George TV at si June TV Vlog at si JP Amboy Vlog. Shout out also to Vish Hakda Bagat, Red Rosal, Cebuanong Cosinero, Frontedo Channel, Fatima Melo, Lutong Bahay in the Spa, G&L Vlog PH, Joey Gonzaga, Hummingbird, Ana Patterfield and Friends, Aventura, Navea, Redugado, Casey Aberia, Explore Everything PH, Biri Ispiro, Leonon's Fishing Adventure, Chago Julio de Selva, to my friend Juju, Mabil Garcia, mga Brazilian to. Okay, Detector Vanderly and family, Lee Music, Kitaria Alves, Bersha Lifestyle and Vlog, Zauri, Ann Orlanda, my friend Purple, shout out, and then Lee Music, shout out, Leo Gamer, shout out, Ras Kaimas, Patricia Musea, Ricanto de Amazade, Jong Dandi, Mikey Vlog. Shout out also, Chiloncho TV 9684, Father and Son, Teresita Campanado Vlog, Dors G Vlog, Kapana TV Adventure, AATV Adventure, Bus Alan, Philippine Traffic, Kapinas Official, Manoynel Vlog, shout out ko na yan kanina, doble. Mayo Lods TV, AVS, Per Fishing Diaries, RBO, Kapayapaan Lo, Leonon's Fishing Adventure, Wong TV, Ayan Adventure, Samar Hunter, Luciliano's Vlog, okay, Manoynel Vlog. Sa lahat ng ating mga silent viewer out there, thank you so much for all your support. Ikaw kaibigan, kung bago ka pa lang at napadaang sa aking munting bahay, inaanyayahan po kitang pasuporta naman po, pakipanood po ng mga video upload ko, pakilike at pasubscribe. Pwede pong i-share at pasubscribe po. Maraming salamat. May God bless you all. Thank you so much once again. My heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all of your support, guys. Without your support, guys, my Star TV vlog is nothing. Thank you so much once again for all your support. Thank you very much and Merry Christmas, everyone.